Now let us discuss about another topic, Nastic movement. So here in this topic, first we discuss about definition of Nastic movement and types of Nastic movements. Now what is meant by Nastic movement? The temporary bending movement of plant organs in response to external stimulus is called Nastic movements. It is called paratonic variation movement. It is a curvature movement, but growth is not involved. The Nastic movements depend upon differential Turgor changes in the cells of organs of curvature. Nastic movements are exhibited by dorsiventrally flattened plants organs such as leaves, sepals, petals, etc. The stimulus is not unidirectional but diffuse. The response is determined by the structure of the plant pot and not by the stimulus. The direction of Nastic movement is determined by the anatomy of plant part. Now, the sleeping movement of Mimosa pudica is a Nastic movement. This is the example of Nastic movement. Look at this. The Nastic movements are classified into three types based on the stimulus. They are nyctinastic movement, seismonastic movement, thigmonastic movement. Now first, in this Nastic movement, we discuss about nyctinastic movement or sleep movements. That means it is also known as sleep movements. The daily sleeping movements of some species of plants are called nyctinastic movements. These are temporary curvature movements of leaves and flowers. Growth is not involved in such movements. Change in turgor cause these movements in these plants. Look at the diagram. The sleep movements are exhibited by acacia plants. In these plants, the leaflets undergo folding in the night and they unfold in the morning. In oxalis, the flowers and leaves close at night and open in the morning. Likewise, in crocus and tulip, the flowers open at high temperature and close at low temperature. Depending upon the stimulus, the nyctinastic movements may be classified into two types, photonasty and thermonasty. Now we discuss about photonasty. Photonasty is the light stimulated nyctinastic movement. Some of the leaves of dicots, when grown in the dark curve upwards, but when transferred to the light, the laminae flattened out. Flowers and leaves of oxalis open in the morning and close at night. Now, thermonostic. Thermonostic is the temperature stimulated nictinastic movement. Flowers of tulip and crocus show thermonostic by opening at high temperature and closing at low temperature. Now another type of movement, that is seismonastic movement. The temporary bending movement of leaves and flowers in response to touch is called seismonastic movement. It is a rapid movement when compared to sleep movement. The dropping of leaves in the sensitive plant, example Mimosa pudica. Mimosa pudica is a seismonastic movement. When this plant is touched, the leaflets are folded and the whole leaf drops down within a few seconds. This movement is caused by the pulvinus, a swollen structure at the base of a petiole. Smaller pulvinules are present at the base of the leaflets. If a terminal pinule of a leaflet is touched, the stimulus passes downward to the pulvinule and all the pinules of that leaflet get closed in pairs. Now the stimulus passes to other pinnae or leaflet and finally reaches the pulvinus, resulting in the dropping of the whole leaf. This process is completed just in a few seconds. Now another type of movement, that is to be thigmonastic or haptonastic movement. The temporary bending movements of the leaves of insectivorous plants caused by the touch of insects is called thigmonastic movements. Example Drosera and Dionia. In Drosera, as soon as an insect sits on the leaf, the tentacles curve inward to trap the insect.